In this video, I'll show you how to mute mics, disable video, restrict chat, and manage both participants and external users, so your meetings stay organized and distraction-free. On the Teams home screen, let's head over to the calendar. I'll walk you through how to set restrictions on a Teams meeting first on a new meeting, and then I will show you on an existing meeting. I'll start by creating a new meeting. I'll pick a time slot in the calendar and name it Lecture 6 Computer Programming. Next, I'll add attendees, and then choose More Options at the bottom to open the full meeting editor. Here, I'll double-check that the Teams meeting toggle is switched on. If it isn't, you won't see the restriction settings later. Now, from the top menu, I'll select Meeting Options. This opens a new window where I can control participation settings. First, I'll turn off Allow Mic for attendees and Allow Camera for attendees. Just below that is the meeting chat option. I'll switch this off for my meeting, but you can leave it on if you prefer. Scrolling down, I'll leave Allow Reactions turned on, since I want participants to still be able to react during the session. Now comes the most important setting under Roles, which needs to be selected for the restriction to work, the Who Can Present dropdown. By default, it's set to Everyone, which means all participants can share without restrictions. But you have a few choices here. People in my org and guests. Let's authenticated users and guests present. Specific people, you can handpick certain attendees. Only organizers and co-organizers. Only you and co-organizers can present. For this meeting, I'll select only organizers and co-organizers. That way, I stay in full control while participants can only watch and react. Once I'm done, I'll click Apply to save the changes. This is also a good moment to review all your settings one more time. When everything looks good, hit Send to share the updated meeting invite with participants. Now let's see how this works with an existing meeting. Here, I'll open a meeting titled Lecture 5 and click Edit. The steps are exactly the same as before. Here, I will fast forward this, but there's one difference. After updating the meeting options and clicking Send, Teams will send out a new email again to participants with the updated link. And that's it. You just learned how to create or edit Teams meetings with restrictions, from muting microphones and cameras to controlling chat and deciding exactly who can present.